Hi guys, today is election day here in the Philippines. It's actually the presidential elections and I'm going to vote now. I know I'm not allowed to film inside the voting precinct. I really hope the line is not that long because I'm not willing to wait. What are they doing there? Look at that. It's very crowded in some of the precincts, and hopefully mine is not that crowded, because like what I said, I'm not willing to fall in line for this. I just go back because the line is very long and I'm not willing to wait for that. While waiting, I'm just going to play Fall Guys. I'm going back to vote now, and hopefully there is less people and shorter line. It's actually 11:30 now in the morning and it's not that hot, but I still have my umbrella because it might turn hot later. There's fewer people now. Still long lines for the precinct. The line is still long, so I'll be back in the afternoon. This is my third time trying to vote, and hopefully there's no more line because it's already 3 p.m. and I think they will close at 6 p.m. So even though there's a line there, this time I'll going to wait. It is really hot right now. Even though I have my umbrella, it's still very hot. These elementary classrooms are really good. I actually studied here. Like, these are my classrooms before when I was in elementary. This is actually a public school. It's really nice. That's the line. It's not that long, but yeah, I can wait for this one. been sitting here for more than 10 minutes and the line hasn't moved yet. I thought this was the voting precinct, but it turns out this is still the line. I'm back outside for the line, but I think this is the precinct now. Hopefully this will be quick because it's been over an hour. After an hour and a half, I have voted. I was probably told 3 times to stop filming, so I did, but yeah, it was pretty smooth and it was okay. So I hope everyone also voted.